These are packing cubes and let me show you how they look like. So inside the package I was able to find like these 3 pouches. I would guess they are like for your liquids, maybe some cream, maybe some lotion. I think they will be very useful when you're traveling. So you get like the biggest one, you get medium one, that is the medium, and you get the tiny one. So I think it's like very reasonable to use them. And of course, like you also get like this little storage bags, I would think, and you get 2 of them. So they are made out of like foil, but it's like better quality foil, I would say. It's not like a normal one, and I think it's going to last for a very long time, and it's really up to you how you're going to use them. So you can tighten them just like that, and I would probably use them for like a dirty laundry maybe. It's really up to you, but anyway, you get 2 of them. And of course we have our packing bags, so they are all in there. So you also get like a storage bag for all of them, and in here inside we get 13 packing cubes, and as you can see I've got mine in a color gray, and in a second I'll show you all of the cubes. So I just opened the bag, and so first of all we've got something like that. So this one, as you can see, it's called wash bag, and it tells you more or less what you can put in it. So I would imagine these are things like maybe for shower. And yeah, it's pretty, I mean, there's lots of space in here. You're gonna be able to put a lot of things in this one. So that is the first one. Second of all, we've got something like that. It's like a pouch. I would say I would probably keep maybe makeup in here. This one has lots of storage as well. So yeah, that's the second one. Here we've got something like that. I'm not really sure what it can be used for, but anyway, that's how it looks like. It has a little handle, and you can open it this way and put something inside. So that is another one. Let's look at some more. So that is probably more like a bag for your laundry, I think so. I mean, it's already up to you what you're going to use it for. But anyway, this one can be closed this way as the previous ones, as the foil one I was talking about. But this one is probably more like a better quality. So that's how it looks like. Again, lots of storage. Another one. So that is... I would think maybe like something for your socks, maybe for your, you know, pants, for your bras. There's lots of storage here again. It can be really like squeezed once you put it in, like everything in. So as you can see, it's pretty big for a little cube like that. And of course, the purpose of these cubes is to keep you, first of all, very organized. And second of all, it's supposed to like save you space, since as I just said, you can pack it all in, like squeeze it as much as you can. And of course, you're gonna be able to zip it in. So what is going to happen is like you won't be able to do that without these, of course. Like of course you can like squeeze things in your luggage, but like, you know, they are just like helping you with that, right? So that is another one. That's how it one looks like. I guess this one can be made like so this in a bag. Let me just try something. And yeah, I was just able to like put it in half, maybe to save some more space, I don't know. But anyway, this one has lots of storage again. So you get lots and lots of cubes with lots of storage, lots of possibilities. It's all up to you what you're going to use it for. This one has like a little straps inside that I guess you can squeeze your luggage even more. It's like a little luggage in itself. It has a lovely candle, holder, sorry. And yeah, you're gonna be able to see everything in here, what's inside. So this makes it even easier to, like, you know, pack and unpack. So that was the last one. And of course, like, we are just left with this like storage bag that I showed you in the beginning. So you can, for easy storage, you can put everything I was just showing you. So all of these into this like main bag and keep them this way when you're not traveling. And this way you're not gonna be able to like lose them very easily, and it's all going to be in one place. And I'll definitely be using this because I travel very often and I like to keep my baggage organized. It's much easier this way. It saves you time, saves you energy, and it looks better, doesn't it? So I'll be definitely using mine, and I would highly recommend this to anyone traveling.